541, let's get into it. Down here in FILE896, we have finished our thumbnail renderer. Nail ren stands for thumbnail renderer. Let's go all the way down to the new section of code we've written here. So once we've figured out our hit test value, we're going to figure out if it's 0 through 3 inclusive, which should be all of the possible hit test values. We're going to enter this branch of code. If it's 0 for the hit test, we're just going to fill with black. This is a shorthand reference to our save file memory, and you can pause here to read all of these variable declarations. Down here, the pixel is going to be rendered as a 2x2 cluster. Sorry, the tile is rendered as a 2x2 cluster of pixels. Therefore, we need to multiply tile x and y by 2. Then we need to globalize this coordinate, and we're going to do that right down here to get data cluster origin x and y. This is a global pixel coordinate on FILE896. We're going to bounds check right here, and then we're going to loop through our 2x2 pixel cluster representing our tile. We're going to get the global pixel x, global pixel y, get the index representation of this address here. Then we're going to get a byte address of this pixel index down here. Bounds check again, and then we are going to take the red, green, blue, and alpha components of RFC, and we're going to shove them into that disk memory pixel. If we end up down here, that is a mistake, and we'll have to fix it. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You're on the advanced playlist here. Technical demos are here, and you can get the source code here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman game that uses proximity mines with directional blasts.